What's good, DJ? Good afternoon. Good afternoon. It's Saturday, May 17th. The time is currently 2:20 p.m. Here to close out my week, DJ, as I didn't get to do it last night. Okay, so yeah, let's get straight on with it. Let's get on straight on with it. First, let's see how PM session closed. And also I compared using I compared using yes, the previous day, Thursday's dealing range, which we already had on the chart, compared to Friday's morning's new dealing range. I think I got my answer. I want to be focusing on the new day and the new dealing range because whoo, it was so nice. I can't wait to show you, DJ. But yeah, so right now from the 2 day just the 1 day actually, I preferred using the current day's dealing range instead of the previous days, focusing on the previous day. Just let that one go. That day's done. New day, new dealing range. But I'll show you guys in a sec. I'll show you DJ in a second. But yeah, this is how PM session went. The the 15-second trade really was the trade of the day there, and then yeah, kind of tanked once we took the dealing range for Friday's morning. Let's go back here. So this is the dealing range from previous day, Thursday, that we had on there already initially. So that buy here was using the previous day's dealing range. We were in what, like outside, well, just above, what was the 15? 15-second. We'll go to right around 10 or some shit. Yeah, right here. It's below my threshold, really and truly. I would say like midpoint of this the equilibrium and the upper quadrant, this part anything below that is like less risk, or the risk will be reduced there. But like, yeah, that's my last point of entry. Below this, definitely below this pink shaded line here, dashed line. So this was very good. But based on this, how it looks based on the previous day's dealing range. But let's put on what the current daily range would have been, and then I'm gonna show you how beautiful it was. Like, yeah. Hold on. So when we came in at 9, whatever, before 9:15. Okay, let's say we had everything done. We'll be looking at from 8:30, this high to this low would have been our dealing range coming in at 9. Okay, and as we took that high, obviously switched. Then in the morning, watched it. News was at 10, right? Whatever. Then we broke this low, so we went to this. Nothing amounted to that. Came to this. Nothing amounted to no. Yep. Came to that. Then we took it post 10 o'clock. So this will be the new dealer range. And now, look at that setup, baby. Look at that. In a discount. Bing bang. Still in a discount. Bing bang. Here would have been like the last. Yeah, this was because it's still below the pink. Oh, my goodness. My goodness. And then it went obviously and took dealing range high. And then tanked from there. But yeah, I'm gonna dig deeper into it after I'm done here closing my week out. But that was Friday. That was the data we were trying to collect, see if using the previous dealing range is fine, or I need to refresh the dealing range as the day comes. And from that, I'm gonna refresh it moving forward now, and then I'm gonna compare at the end of the session just to see which one was, better perform. I'm thinking new, like each day gets its own new dealing range because it's a new day, it's a new dealing range. Let the past one go. So yeah. Woo! Anyway, let's go ahead and close my week out. What an amazing week has been this week. Oh my God, like, oh, incredible, incredible. Um, anyway, that's not what I need. This week, let's talk about what I was anticipating. My expectation this week, going into the week, was I anticipate price to initially drop into week busy. Oh, let's go on to MQ. Into weekly, well, yeah, I wanted to see if it was gonna drop down here and then continue higher. Then rally higher to take buy side into week CB. I was initially with this one, all right, but then it just blew past this, as the market opened, so I went to this one. But doesn't have to drop into BC, can take buy side, then drop into BC, yeah. So, right, seasonal tendency has price dropping, then rally, yeah. And it just rallied really and truly, it just didn't even drop. But anyway, my weekly draw was I was expecting an up close candle, bullish. How did the week close? It closed up close, was bullish. Um, Low of the week was on Monday. It's never even dropped down whatsoever. Let's get the charts. But my focus going into this week was building more confidence with my entry timeframes, maintaining discipline despite what's going on in my life right now. That was my focus going on to this week. And I think I building confidence in my entry timeframes. Yeah. Maintaining discipline. Yeah, I think I was like I did good on that. I did good on that for the week. But the level of growth this week is just, I know every week is like this me saying the same thing, but like every week I'm like getting 1% better, literally like just growing is insane, man. And it's right now it's like a rapid pace. It went from like slow, slow, slow to now it's like rapid. Like it's rapid. I can't even slow it down. Like everything that I've learned is all of a sudden just like I'm getting it. I'm seeing the zeros and ones. It's insane. Let's see, I've ended the week. So I think we're down $85 on this week. And 88. Roughly down the same amount. This was the the turnaround for me, like the 10 trades and 15 trades and then 5 on this bad boy. Yeah, that was like, I don't like this kind of trading. This was the day. Wednesday 14th, May 14th. That was the day. I was just like, after that day, I was exhausted, bro. I don't like this kind of trading. Um, anyway, let's finish this. So from Sunday, uh, let me just yep. Actually, just say they just kept running higher, 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 higher. What I did well this week, if you'll let me, what did I do well? Showed up as always showing up. That's the first step, showing up. Showed up powerfully. Did show up powerfully this week, I would say. Showed up powerfully, gained experience, learned valuable lessons, and improved as a as an analyst and trader. I did do that this week. I did do that. I did that very well. Um, Come on, man. Was that to show discipline in following my procedures, protocols, and processes, which actually is going to be refined. So we love that. Yeah, so that's everything that I did well this week. I think showed up powerfully, gained experience, learned valuable lessons, and improved as an analyst and trader. Showed discipline in following my procedures and protocols. Mhm. Where did I fall short? I think one day I had wake up time issue, right, this week. Yeah, it's Friday. No, maybe 2 days this week. No, Friday. Yeah, 2 days this week. I had wake up issues. Cutting it down, where it used to be every day type shit, but now it's like now it's just twice in the week. I'll take that. It's an improvement. It's an improvement. So I'll put that as something I did well too. Uh, let's wake up. Let's fall in short. Let's fall in short. Wake up. And but I'm still gonna put as something I fell short on this week. Um, I'll put it because I'm very proud of it. Twice out a week and time issues, so still fell short there. Where else did I fall short this week? DJ, tell me where else did I fall short? I know there was a couple of days I was like, yeah, I can't pull anything out of the strings in terms of where I'm falling short. So I'm really happy that it's just like external things that I'm falling short on, like my wake up time and stuff, nothing like to do with the charts or my procedures and protocols type stuff. So I'm very, very happy about that. But yeah, we'll leave it as that for now. I don't I maybe this week, potentially where I could have fell short was that Wednesday trading was kind of like over trading, but like I wouldn't take it back because it was a valuable day for me, and I learned valuable lessons on that day that I do not want to trade like that. But what I did well too is came to the realization of how I want to trade and what kind of trader I want to be, you know? Uh, So even though it may have seemed like an over trading and excessive trading on my part, it was none of the trades that I took, I wouldn't take again because they were all based on the models. Okay, I would take all them trades again. I just about taking them like that many times on the same day, right? In the same session. Right? Okay, so what I for sure would be on Wednesday. I'm gonna put even though I'm out valuable. Yeah, so I have to be aware of it. That even though it was done with a purpose, that's still what it was, right? I can't tiptoe, it's black and white. Was an excessive amount of trading, at least for me anyway. But I was kind of getting accustomed to the seconds time frame as well and seeing how I wanted to obviously trade it. And yeah, so yeah, I guess I fell short, but in falling short, I grew. So it's all right. It's all right to fall short. All right, we're not perfect. We're humans, we make mistakes, move. But yeah, how I can improve for next week. Keep collecting the data. All right. Keep collecting data, keep showing up. Seeking excellence, because this journey of excellence is what keeps me wanting to refine and improve. Excellence. Collected. Keep collecting data, keep showing up, and keep seeking excellence. How can I improve for next week? I need to update processes, procedures, because and model too, because that model's got a bit of a refinement. Update processes, procedures, protocols, and model. Because yeah, I have the model hasn't changed. I've added a new model. Okay, so I've got two models, two buy models, two sell models, and I'm looking for them premium discount. And if I get the opposite, still go for it, but it will be like a terms of risk wise, it'll be reduced risk because I'm buying in a premium. So got this whole thing worked out. I just have to get it down on paper now. So that's what I need to do. Um, keep sticking to the procedures protocol. Oh, let's not put that there. It's all right. How can improve for next week? Keep collecting data, keep showing up, keep seeking excellence, update processes, procedures, and protocols. Yeah. And that will be it for me this week. Closing out what an amazing week. And I couldn't ask for more. All right. I'm starting to see the zeros and ones, and it's an amazing. The curtains is finally parting, and I'm seeing the market for what it truly is. And it's beautiful. It's been an amazing journey, DJ. Yeah. I know I'm on the right track because like I've listened to like ICT's recent Twitter spaces, and he's like saying everything that I've been like doing, and then I'm like, oh shit. Oh shit, he's saying that now, but that's something I've been doing, and I'm like perfect. It's just everything just God does everything right on time when when it's supposed to be. So don't feel like because you're not getting it right now, that it's just not your time. Just keep going when the time is right, and it'll be right on time. Everything will just like click. And I'm still in the beginning phases, and I'm not saying I've made it or I'm there, but like I'm starting to see the trader that I want to be and the trader that I am going to become. And starting to see the things I want to see in price action to engage in. And yeah, it's just getting step-by-step processes, and it's just been something repeatable that I can do each and every day, and it's the same. It's just, oh, DJ, I'm happy, man. I'm happy. This week it's been amazing. Anyway, let's take a look at what the schedule is looking like next week. Oh shit, look at that. Well, we'll see what Econoday has for us on these 3 days. But it's only looking like we got news on Thursday and Friday on Forest Factory, so might be a short week to still, but we never know what Econoday has. We don't get this until Sunday night, which is kind of like, why don't they like show you the week ahead? I guess they're trying to get you to pay for this shit, but I'll pay for it if it's a virtual thing. I don't want a physical, journal. I don't want to do that. But anyway, another great week in the market. Let's go back to so you know how the weekly ended. Okay. Yeah, DJ, week's done. Okay. Yeah, I'm very happy and pleased with my performance and growth this week. Another great week in the market. Like it's just been great weeks in the market. Like, and I'm making literally no money, and it's just been great. Because that's secondary to me right now. I know that's gonna come. Okay, it's all about the skill, the experience, and just becoming a better analyst, a better trader, and just never giving up, and never, 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 never giving up. Never, never, never. All right, DJ. That's it for my week. My week's done. Yeah, again, incredible week of learning, growing, getting 1% better. Okay, and that's all I can ask for. And that's all I'm going to keep showing up to do. Just seeking excellence, seeking that 1% better every day. And yeah, we'll get to our destination. So that's the goal. So yeah. DJ, thanks for another incredible week. Thanks for opening this dialogue and giving me this judgment-free zone, okay, where I can come and just grow and be myself. And yet progress, whatnot, document this journey, okay, of this build up, okay, to the Trader Capital. Okay, so it's going to be a household name. I'm telling you that now. DJ is going to be a household name, and this is the beginning phases, right? Everything we've been doing up from now is being documented to how I'm the Trader Capital is going to run, and how we're going to be trading there. Yeah, man, I'm excited. I'm excited for the future. Okay, it's only the beginning. All right, the real work starts now, actually. It's always starting now, right? It's never like what you've done. It's always starting now. But anyway, DJ, I'm the trader signing out. Good luck, good trading. Catch you next week. And you know what it is. Happy hunting.